How you feel indicates your point of attraction. Here's the thing. Words don't teach, life experience does. So as you've been living life experience without an understanding of your point of attraction, then you've come to believe and expect things based upon vibrating accidentally. So once you begin to offer your vibration deliberately and you see the results of that, that changes your expectation, changes your belief. A belief is just a thought you continue to think. And an expectation is a belief that you really continue to think. In other words, it's just trending. So it's by deliberately achieving a feeling, then watching what happens. Deliberately achieving a feeling and watching what happens. We gave you the answer to this before you asked the question. Now that you've asked the question, you'll hear the answer. This is what we said earlier, and now you will hear it. Words don't teach, only life experience does. Most people offer their vibration, their point of attraction, based upon what they are observing. Well, if you're observing life that you've been doing not by intent, but by default, then it's logical that your expectation would be the same as what you've been attracting. The thing is, it's not subconscious. If you're feeling, then it's awareness. So it's not subconscious. So you observed something and you saw the results of it. And of course you believe it because it's real. Saw my parents work hard, saw them not make very much money, saw them struggle. That's real. I have to believe what's real. But when you say, yes, it was real, and it was based upon them not knowing that they could feel differently, this is the piece you're looking for. Most people feel in response to what happens. You've got to feel before the response, and then the response to what you feel is different. Do you know what keeps most people from getting what they want? Noticing what is. If you keep taking score of what is, it can't change. But it's not pie in the sky. It's not fantasy. It's understanding the laws of the universe, feeling what I'm doing with the laws of the universe, deliberately doing something different, and then connecting the dots. I felt this way, and then that happened. I felt this way, and then that happened. But it's a big question. How do I change the way I feel? How do I change the way I feel? So we just have to keep saying it so that you can feel it and hear it. It's only life experience that changes your expectation. You change life experience by attracting a different life experience. How do I attract a different life experience? By changing your vibration. How do you change your vibration? By caring about how you feel. Let's stay on this because this is a big topic. Abraham, how do I feel prosperous when I'm not prosperous? How do I feel prosperous? Let's just take some paths, some doors. I feel prosperous because Abraham said I could. I feel prosperous because that guy over there is prosperous. That doesn't have anything to do with me. I feel prosperous or blessed. I feel prosperous or abundant. I feel abundant because good ideas are flowing to me. Oh, Abraham, blah, blah, blah. Come on. How do I get the money out of the vortex and into my bank account? How do I feel it? Well, get off the subject of prosperity because it's too hard. There's too much resistance in it. Reality has shown itself to you for too long. It's hard to believe that. So what things come easily to you? What's an example of something that you know for sure you're not blocking because it's coming? I'm very good at sports. That's a form of prosperity in that that's an abundance that most people don't have that you have. And how does it feel? What you're doing right now, how you're feeling right now. Current trending means how I feel now in response to this, and how I feel now in response to this, and how I feel now in response to this. You feel good in your mind, you have positive thoughts. And if you just kept trending that way, all that other would fall away. But you don't do that. Hardly anybody does because you're facing reality and you're remembering your childhood and you're still sort of mad about all of that. We've been saying this for quite a while. When you know what your point of attraction is in two ways. One is how I'm feeling right now, and another is what manifests. So if uncomfortable body has manifested, it's more difficult because now it's hard not to notice the uncomfortable body. But you're going to hear this really easily. This is so good. It's possible to physically not feel good, even to be in pain, and to have a good attitude about it. It's possible to be in pain and feel optimistic. Most people don't do that. Most people let their mood follow what's happening right now. That's what has to change. You can't feel in response to what's happening right now. You have to use the power of your mind to look forward. Because if you keep looking at what's happening right now, then it keeps continuing. If living now and feeling good, it's happening. Can't be otherwise. Might not be happening as fast as you want it to, but here's what you want to do. Remember that a manifestation is a feeling, a manifestation is a thought, a manifestation is an idea, a manifestation is a stream of ideas, a manifestation is an experience, a manifestation is a rendezvous, a manifestation is a pile of money landing in your bank account, a manifestation is a lot of things that are tangible. Enjoy the manifestations that happen before those that are tangible, and then you won't be splitting your energy. When you say it's not happening, you shut it down. Connect those dots. That's what matters. If you relate the positive manifestations, no matter how intangible they seem, like thoughts and feelings, feeling is pretty tangible though, isn't it? Ooh. It's almost the most tangible thing there is when you think about it. Do you know that there isn't anything that anybody wants? A pile of money, relationship, more satisfying work, material objects. There isn't anything that anybody wants for any other reason than that they believe it will feel good in the having of it. So if you are able to accomplish an improvement in the way you feel, can you feel how far you've come? It's like you're there, and now the rest will fill in with the things that you've already specified that you enjoy, like good company and nice experiences and so forth. I understand the laws of the universe. I accept my guidance system. I can feel the difference in how this thought feels and this thought feels. And I'm going to start just being easier on everybody that I focus on. Easier on me, easier on them. I'm going to focus for the emotion. I'm going to focus on emotion first and see what follows. Most people have it backwards. Show me something good and I'll feel good. I'm going to feel good, and then I'll find something good. That's the way it really works. And what confuses people is that you're looking at so many things. It's hard to tell what's happening until it becomes acute like this.